Alright guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm looking dusty and busted as usual. So right now I'm really in a rush. I am beyond that word at this point. It is 5:49. I need to be ready by 7 o'clock. Well, I'm supposed to be meeting at 7, but I'm gonna have to leave at 7. So I'm meeting my friend Jasmine. She's gonna help me get some pictures and before we go over to the other place. And yeah, I'm just trying my best. Right now, I'm trying to do one of those like Y2K hairstyles slash ponytails. And I don't think it's going to take long, to be honest. It's going to take me longer to wrap my hair than it is to do this. Hello, if this is your first time here, welcome. Welcome to Vlogmas. This is day 5. It's a Friday. We're getting it cracking. It is Founders Day for the Alpha. Shout out to them being my second favorite frat. Y'all know who my heart is. But yeah, we're doing all of the fun stuff today. Am I crooked? I'm looking a little crooked too. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do this in sections of 4. I feel like this section is a little large. I'm gonna make it smaller. I need 4 of them. I'm not super pressed if they're like over the top neat or not. Ooh, my dandruff is back, honey. That's looking quite good to me. I'm gonna split this into 4s. Looking good enough, to be honest. I'm not pressed. It's for one day. I'm actually gonna use Eco Style. I'm gonna use Eco Style gel. Okay, so in my head, I wanted to have like some little pieces that hung out. So I think I'm gonna still do that. I see enough hair to cover. For me being pressed for time, I sure am doing a fancy hairstyle. But what is new? Now this piece, I'm actually just gonna twist 2 sections so far. Ooh, them parts are like not the best, but they're doing all right. I really wish that I had a sharper rat tail, but I just don't at the moment. These 2 can wrap up together.
Okay, perfect. I was gonna pick that too, but I'm trying to get some color in my life.
Yeah, this is the best that I got. I'm running out of time rapidly, so Bath and Body Works.
I'm so hungry. Yeah. For me, it's the mouth.
For me, it's the lashes. Lashes have been so uncomfortable for me lately. Like before.
You've also been getting like the really pretty, like thick, full ones.
Yeah, but like I'm telling you, like I wore those like 5 days a week before, and they just didn't bother me.
You had no feelings before.
Yeah, I'm like, bro, why can I like physically feel these on my face?
Like, I'm telling you, knotless braids, I can do. Like, I cannot do regular box braids because they hurt my scalp.
You're so jealous. Are we gonna race them? Go, 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 go. Oh, now we're leaving. Oh, wait, there might be police. Come on, guys. All right, keep going straight. She's from Jersey. You know they don't know how to drive, right? Clearly I'm at a college house because why? But axe throwing is happening tomorrow. It looks like I have a fuzzy hair, but it's actually just like axe throwing is happening tomorrow, guys. I messed up and picked the wrong day for the reservation. Y'all, it is the next day. I'm putting 2 days together because I had some wild stuff happen at the grocery store wearing yesterday's makeup. It's really been a long day, but it's currently 10 a.m. and I'm about to just go in here. I'm literally like, bruh. I don't know what's going on right now, but I'm not even going grocery shopping. I just want to get some stuff for a smoothie and then get some baby food, and I'm out. All right, let's go. Y'all, this is taking me less than 5 minutes. Hold on. All that I got: fruits, baby food, laundry stuff, juice, more fruit. That's it. Not in the mood to do a lot of shopping. I'm gonna have to actually go grocery shopping in a couple of days, but this is all that I needed for today. So I'm trying to hurry up and get back home now. No, you're fine. Thank you. Come on, guys. And I'll go take my shoot and I'll go take some down. Okay. Something for his punk ass. My camera's about to die.